neon bleeding on the bar top. Clock says closing time again. I've been counting all my bad luck at the bottom of this glass of sin. Bartender gives me that look now, like he's seen this all before. Says, you sure you need another? As I'm reaching out for more. There's a line I keep on crossing every time I say I'm done. It's a coin toss in a bottle. Heads I stay, tails I run. One last whiskey, that's what I said, but one turns into three instead. Will I make it home tonight or fade out in the headlights? Will I crash into my past again or wake up where I shouldn't have been? Lose the love I almost had me over one last whiskey. Phone lights up, it's her name calling. I just let it ring on through. What do I say when I'm falling back into the same old proof? That I'm stronger when I'm sober, but I'm weaker when I'm near. Every drop just pulls me closer to the man I used to fear. Hear her voice inside my memory, begging me to just come home. But the silence at this bar still feels like somewhere I belong. One last whiskey, that's what I said, but one turns into three instead. Will I make it home tonight or disappear in city lights? Will I end up in a ditch somewhere with regret as my only prayer? Lose the love I almost had me over one last whiskey. Over one last whiskey. Yeah. Keys are heavy in my pocket, like they're daring me to try. Every bad choice has a reason, but no reason justifies. If I walk out where I'm headed, could be hell or could be home. All it takes is one decision, one more drink, I'm not alone. Glass is empty, hands are shaking. This could be the night that breaks me. One last whiskey, here it goes down the hatch I already know. This could steal my way back home, turn my heart to stepping stones. Will I lose it for the last time over something so damn small? Or will I finally face the truth before I lose it all? One last whiskey, or none at all. Neon fading, I'm still standing, but I don't know where I'll land. It's a gamble with no winner, just a broken, empty hand. So I set the glass behind me and I walk into the night, praying this is the moment that I finally choose what's right.